Hello and welcome to day 34 of Bedtime Welsh. And thank you so much for everybody who joined Angharad in her lesson yesterday. She had a really lovely time, didn't you?
Yeah.
And what did you think? Do you think they were a good class?
Yes.
They were excellent, weren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely fantastic. So brilliant. So we're looking forward to doing more of that, maybe another one next Saturday. So for today, a nice little breather of a day for you, really, because we're just going to add another word to a lot of structures you already know, and it's the word happy. So happy is hapus. Hapus. So happy is
Hapus.
hapus. Hapus. So to feel happy is
Teimlo'n hapus.
teimlo'n hapus. And then we've got I'm feeling happy or I feel happy is
Dwi'n teimlo'n hapus.
dwi'n teimlo'n hapus. And then I'm feeling happy now.
Dwi'n teimlo'n hapus rŵan.
Dwi'n teimlo'n hapus rŵan. Then how about I was feeling happy.
O'n i'n teimlo'n hapus.
O'n i'n teimlo'n hapus. And just to wrap it up for today, I'm starting to feel happy.
Dwi'n dechrau teimlo'n hapus.
Dwi'n dechrau teimlo'n hapus. So, well done everybody who's got this far, and we'll see some of you in the Angharad lesson next week. And for now, hwyl am y tro.
Ta!
Ta-ra!